Hello guys, welcome again to Earth Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will have a special video review presentation. So we will review one good project, and it is called IBG Finance. So what is IBG Finance, guys? So actually this is a crypto project, a DeFi crypto project, and we will discuss later the whole details of this, the registration and how you can earn money on this project. But first of all, of course, you need to invest. But how legit is this project? So we need to know that. So we will go now to our presentation and we will discuss about IBG Finance. So IBG Finance, guys, is really a DeFi project, and they are promising a 500,000 possible APY. Only possible. It's not guaranteed that once you invest, you will gain 500,000%. But for sure, the APY on this project is higher compared to other DeFi projects. Okay, so what is IBG Finance, guys? Okay, they have a logo like this one, the IBG Finance, and they have a tagline of "Earn Yield Daily." But I give you now the introduction of IBG Finance. IBG Finance is an ecosystem of smart DeFi wealth management products uniquely designed to bring simplicity, efficiency to users interested in entering cryptocurrency. So normally, guys, this is the problem, no? If you are a newbie in crypto, you don't know where to invest. What will I do now? So here is the help of IBG Finance. You can go into crypto and DeFi markets using this application. Okay, so now we'll move to their mission and vision. So their mission is making crypto investing easy and accessible to all. A new way where people are earning and distributing wealth. Okay, now what is their aim? So their aim is to empower every individual to decide on what they want their future to be while working in a secured, straightforward, and legitimate platform. Okay, so many of us also are looking forward to a legit earnings in crypto, because what happened is there are a lot of investment problem has been, they told us that they are not earning in this project or they lose their money. But with IBG, we have assurance of this. Why? Later on, I'll discuss to you about acquisition of one of the biggest company in IBG, plus the listing that it is a legit token and project. Take note, we have an IBG token also, or IBG crypto. And later on, I'll show it to you. So this is a world and first only insured DeFi project. And there is an IBG Finance white paper signed with legal opinion. So the white paper is with legality, or with opinion of other people who knows about the law, especially in the internet law, cybercrime, etc. So agile design strategies to evolve with the ongoing fintech, crypto, and DeFi landscape. Okay, and we have also an insured digital asset exchange. So please take note that IBG Finance is a one-stop DeFi shop. Okay, so they have a three strategic pillars. It is to trust, to have a digital presence in the community with security audit and endorsement in the community. They want us to learn, to increase crypto awareness and continuous educational affiliation for all the community, within the community and the team. Okay, and they want to have an achievement, product use awareness on know-how by lowering barrier entry through up ease of use and continuous engagement. So that is our IBG. So what will I do now if I want? Actually, I'll give you the referral link below. you can register on IBG. Their main website is this one, IBG Finance, but I will give you now details later on the description of this video. Okay, so this is the IBG main website. It discuss, okay, so there's our three easy way step. Okay, you can choose your membership level. So see, you are not paying for the membership actually here. What you are paying is an IBG token. You have to buy an IBG token. But first of all, I'll discuss to you how legit is the IBG token. So first, we have an IBG. Okay, we have an IBG listed in CoinGecko. Okay, CoinGecko, there is a list of IBG Finance, the BSC, and the IBG Finance, the Ethereum. So what is the difference of this one? So BSC is the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, this is the for BNB network. Okay, the IBG, and this one is for the Ethereum network. Okay, and you can see now the history for 7 days of IBG token. Okay, the crypto is down right now, so definitely all other altcoin is going down as well. But of course, if the Bitcoin will go up, as you can see here, the chart, it goes down because the Bitcoin also down. So this is the similarity. If you ask me why, sir, why IBG token is going down? If I buy it right now, will I really earn on that? So it's not only about the crypto itself, okay? It's about the project, the whole project of the IBG Finance. Now, even in the CoinMarketCap, we have the details all listed. This is listed rank 6623 token. So in a watch list of 217, okay, so as you can see, we have an up and down for 1 day of the IBG. So to tell you frankly that this crypto is listed, so if you want the membership here, okay, you have to buy this crypto. But how you can buy? First of all, if you have any crypto, you can just swap it in Uniswap. This is the Uniswap. Or even in PancakeSwap. Okay, so let's continue with this. This is the IBG site. Although this is connected to the PancakeSwap. Okay, so in this website, you can earn also by farming or by staking. It's a simple. If you know the PancakeSwap, this is a very similar one to the IBG. Okay, so you see, imagine you can just invest here, okay, and then you can just harvest. Okay, you know the farming in crypto, you are like mining, you are like a farmer, but in the crypto world, in a digital wallet. Your digital wallet is earning money. This is definitely 43%, 58%, and 72%. Imagine this is very far away from the interest you're earning in the bank. Okay, so I hope that is very clear right now to you. So, so this is the membership fee, guys. So what do I need to do? Okay, with this project. So, you know, we have the future and investment morph portal. We have soon a mobile app coming in IBG. Okay, so the good thing here, guys, you can invest in a minimum of $10. Okay, so in peso, it's around 500 pesos. By 500 pesos, you can invest here. You just need to swap an IBG, okay, into your Ethereum. And what will happen is, don't forget, this is free, guys. Okay, you need to click whitelist now. Okay, I already registered. So once you click the white click, okay, you can see this one. Okay, but if you enter, I think I have, I'll check if I have the other. Okay, we'll go to the other account, okay. Chrome, because this is already registered. I want you to know, I want you to see what happened? See this one? Okay. You will enter your wallet address. So you should have a MetaMask. It's safe here to enter your wallet address because you will be whitelisted. So once you are whitelisted, imagine here, early whitelister can enjoy a 20% year discount, token discount for a limited time. So you will have additional IBG or discount or on this scenario. So later on, I'll show it to you the IBG discount. Okay, so we'll now move to so see this one. Okay, once you do this, you can check. You have also the task that you can have a 500 points on your task to achieve a VIP status. So once you've done, you see, for example, you have to enter your BEF20 or ERC wallet, but I suggest, guys, an ETH network in your MetaMask. Okay, address. Then you can import your IBG contract address to your wallet. Check. Okay. Now this one, you can buy an IBG on Uniswap or PancakeSwap, as I mentioned, and you will have just paste your IBG referral code here. Okay. So right now I have my referral code. So I'll just click it right now. Okay. So I'll just continue and check. It will be checked. Okay. Now, you can make a YouTube video about IBG portal, so on and so forth. You can just do. But the most important thing here, guys, is be whitelisted. Enter your ERC20 wallet address. After you enter your ERC wallet address, don't forget to buy an IBG token on Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Now, what you will do is you can choose now a membership. So this will be the looks of the membership once you have to connect your wallet now, sign in using your MetaMask. So now it's logged in. Okay, so now for example, you have already a token. So this is the discount if you are a whitelisted user. See, there is a you can have this membership and investment allocation of $10 and a 20% off. So this is their promotion. Okay, and just enable IBG, then that's it. If you have IBG and MetaMask, you can approve it. Okay, so that is how it works, the IBG membership, the VIP membership, and then it will be approving. Okay, so I hope now this is clear, guys. And what is the good news? But first of all, I would like to inform you that you can be a VIP without subscription. So you have to subscribe so you can be a VIP, and definitely you will have a lot of benefits of being a VIP. So what is the good news also here in IBG Finance? Please take note, guys, that this is not just an ordinary company. Okay, on October 13, 2021, ICOYA closes $185 million okay, of acquisition of IBG Finance. So ICOYA, okay, is see, as you can see here, ICOYA Incorporation is a national provider of wireless and wired broadband network in the high traffic public location. So they are a big company. Now, ICOYA is entering into the DeFi, blockchain, and crypto space through acquisition. One of this is the acquisition of IBG Finance. So I hope this is clear. About this news, you can just read the details of this news on the description below. Okay, so I hope, guys, this is clear to you right now on how we can invest in IBG Finance. Please do your own safety and research as well. We always do our analysis personally. Then you can do your own analysis as well. If you will ask me, is it recommended? As of now, you can see that there is a legitimate of this company. there is a good project and there is a good future on investing in IBG token with a legit company who is acquired by ICOA, a big company as well in America. So definitely you are in a good move. So thank you again, guys, on watching and Earn Money at Home Worldwide. And regarding this video, IVG Payments.